This is Jordan, and he's been trading for about 8 years. We sent him to Perth on a dream vacation, but I didn't give him any money, and I put him in the worst room I could find. He doesn't know it yet, but we're gonna test his trading skill.
Oh, we made it. We made it to Perth. We've been flown here by TradeDelicious with nothing but this backpack and an envelope, I'm assuming.
So here's how this works. Jordan has 4 envelopes. In those 4 envelopes are individual tasks.
Ooh, we're rich. $10. I've got that. I don't know why I'm nervous. Jordan, welcome to Perth. There is nothing we like more than seeing traders live up to their full potential, which is why we have brought you here. We want you to go and explore this city and have an incredible staycation. However, we're not paying for it.
After task 2, Jordan will gain access to a $50,000 trading account, which he could use to try and earn himself some spending cash.
Which you can spend at your leisure. Okay.
Couple caveats here. Number 1, Jordan cannot use his own money.
Just in case you fail to make any money, vote of confidence, we have provided you with some essentials. That'll be the $10. We've also gone ahead and booked you some accommodation at the hostel.
And number 2, he can only upgrade his room once he's completed all 4 tasks.
Let's have a look at this hostel, shall we? Let's give it a Google. The 3 most recent reviews, this is how they start. This is by far the worst hostel I've stayed in. I have traveled Asia for 6 months staying in hostels, and this is hands down the worst accommodation. Honestly, the worst hostel I have ever stayed in. This is a stitch up. Someone at TradeDelicious has well and truly stitched me up here.
Looks like Jordan found out where we got him staying. He is going to kill me.
Oh, dude. I'm not confident I can share these photos with you. Like, come on. The bed frames have wooden planks. This is not right. Oh man. There is a hand covered in bed bug marks. And I am not joking. A genuine review. Alright, what are the tasks? We are not staying there. So, you have envelopes for me?
Yeah, let's hope for some successful trades, mate.
Let's go.
Right, Jordan, we got another envelope for you, mate.
We need to get these tasks done and done quickly so I can get my hands on that trading account and I can get trading because it's already, what time is it now? It's 7:30, so I need to get going into my trading session so I don't have to stay there. But all right, let's jump in. What we got here? Anything else? Any more money? Complete the following. They got me doing a workout. All right, well, I've got to do 20 push-ups, 20 squats, and a 30-second plank. Let's go.
Good luck.
All right, I'm going to do this real quick. Airport doing a workout. What's this? Traders spend an average of 10 to 12 hours a day sitting. Sitting for more than 6 hours per day increases your risk of early death by 19%, according to the American Cancer Society. Only 1 in 4 full-time desk workers meet the WHO's minimum activity guidelines. Trading is already high risk, don't make your health a bigger one.
Think about how good it is for your health, mate.
I'm definitely one of those traders that spends 12 hours a day sitting. I'll give you that.
And you're done.
Right, let's, I've got another task before I get my trading account.
We got one more envelope for you, mate.
Looks like Jordan's finished task 1, but what is he doing? Is he working out at the airport?
It just started spitting. Classic. What more do you want when you're just on holiday? So I reckon we'll go jump inside and get out of the rain before we get wet. And on to task 2 so I can start trading. Come on. Alright, so we've just dipped into the cafe to get out of the rain. I want a coffee. I've got no money. I've got that $10 note, but there's a reason they've given me that $10 note, and judging by the accommodation, I'm going to save it. I'm going to try and push through, but it's nice, it's warm. We're in the... Oh, what have you got there?
One more envelope, mate.
Oh, ooh, my trading account details are in here. Okay. Alright, what have we got? On Instagram, it's always Lambos and funded accounts. Not many show the margin calls or blown accounts that silence breeds shame. Shame leads to repeating the same mistakes. Today, we want you to break this pattern. Tell us about your worst loss. Okay, well, I guess I got to run you through my worst trading loss. Okay, let's rip the band-aid off. It would have been maybe 3-4 years ago. I lost $36,000 in one trade, trading gold. I martingaled into positions that I shouldn't be in, and kept scaling. And eventually, when I finally stopped it, 36,000 Australian dollars was the top out, and I didn't trade for another kind of 6 weeks after that. And the worst part is, it wasn't all my money either. I was managing money for clients at the time. So there you go. There's my biggest loss. Do you have any questions? Is that good enough for the loss?
I think that's good enough, mate.
Okay.
We'll give you the details of it.
Huh. Jordon got access to his trading account. Did that a little quicker than I thought he would. See where it goes from here.
We got the trading account. All right, so we're in this, I believe, because we're still in the airport. I believe it's got free Wi-Fi. I'm going to get straight into the trading account because, as you know, I do not want to stay at that hostel. So what we're going to do is I'm going to log in on the laptop here. I've got our trading laptop. I'm going to sit here for the next hour and absolutely trade my life off to not get caught out. So we're going to jump in the markets. We're going to get access to our $50,000 funded account, and we're going to see how this goes. All right, so we've got in the account. There's a few things I'm nervous about. So number one, we've already moved 30 pips this morning, which is a little bit out of character. Number two, RBA rate decision today, which is the Reserve Bank of Australia. That's going to move the charts. I like low volatility. I like contraction. I like trading ranges and grid trading. So I'm a bit nervous about the way the charts are setting up. Nevertheless, I'm still going to be pulling the trigger and still going for it. I have a 58% win rate on my trades. I'm not willing to jump into the risk of today, only 58% chance of succeeding. So I've got two options. I either try to take as many trades as I can until that edge proves itself, or I group them in cycles of 4 trades, changing the probability of that success to 93%. I haven't decided what to do, and I'm already in the trading session, so I might just see how my first couple trades go and then decide how I'm going to adapt. It looks like Euro US dollar is going to be my first trade here. Actually, yeah, I think I'm going to pull the trigger, shorting the Euro any second now. I'll get a little bit higher. I'm going to short the Euro and try and make some money. Shorted Euro there. I'm actually going to take this position out because I've preemptively entered the wrong spot. Nevertheless, banked a quick $37. So we start the day green, which is good. A little bit of a buffer. That's 37 US, which is going to be close to maybe 60 Australian dollars. I'm sitting here thinking, take profits early, you know, just get out, just cash the money, just bank it. This is so out of character for the way that I trade. All right, Aussie's going to move. All right, we're going long Euro. So I'm going to pull the trigger on that. We're now long Euro as well. So we're long Euro, short Aussie. Here we go. Come on, get me out of this hostel. Get me out of this hostel. Euro, actually, we're going to take profits there. Right, Euro trade done. Banked that. Aussie's going to hit stop loss though, so it's just going to remove that win straight away. I'm hesitant to short the Euro here. I am really hesitant to short the Euro. Bit of volatility coming through. We're up 143 US dollars, it's about 200 Aussie dollars, but equity wise, we're still down another $100 on the Aussie. Do I short the Euro here? I'm going to short the Euro. Let's flip the position. Let's go short in Euro. And let's hold the Aussie out and see how it goes. But there's a bit of volatility in the Aussie. I'm not going to short the Aussie again. For the rest of today, we're only buying the Aussie. There you go. So stopped out of the Aussie now. So now we're down. We're down on the day. We're down $18 on the day. Yeah, it looks like that might have stopped to run, but that's okay. Let's focus on the Euro today. I think the Euro is going to be happier for us. There you go. Look, coming straight back down. Not loving this volatility that's coming in the markets. You can see we just got stopped out there on the Aussie. But if we can get a nice shutdown on the Euro here, I'm going to be a happy man. Let's see.
How's it going, Jhun?
I don't want to stay in this hostel. I really don't. I'm going to trade with the trend. If we can come down to whole numbers, I'm just going to buy up the whole numbers and we'll trade the way the market wants to go. Stay tuned. But I'm I'm not happy. Completely flat at the moment. The good news is the market's still running. So I've made the right decision to be flat and not continue to fade this, otherwise I'll be digging myself a big hole. The bad news is I need to wait for a pullback so I can go long. It's just a patience game now. We're down 160, which is very recoverable. Bit concerned about the volatility, but all in all, I think we'll be alright. Alright, Euro is coming down. If we can get a 1745, I'll go long, but this time I'm going to go with 5-4 lots, which if you're not prone to trading, that's $540,000 position. So we're getting big. We're getting big on the buy orders. This is not how I wanted today to go. I can tell you that with confidence.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna hold it a little bit longer. It's 8:30, so we're only an hour in the trading session. I've got time, but I don't want to dig myself too big of a hole. You know, if these two positions I've got open now lose, we're going to be down maybe 600-700, which is going to be harder to climb back and riskier, nevertheless. So ultimately, I don't want to get to that point, but yeah, it's a waiting game. It's a way to stick into the guns and just wait. I have flipped the strategy. The nerves have got to me, but now I just got to stick to it, see it through. I've just opened $1 million position. I've gone the Hail Mary, Euro long. We're tapping into the MA. We're at a pullback at the 174 flat. This is it. So right now we are down 500. If we can get back up, if we can do this Hail Mary play and get back to the top side, I might even just call it a day at like $100 profit and just try and get anywhere but that hostel. I am trading to survive at this point. I'm uncomfortable.
All right, so checking in on Jordon's account, let's see how much progress he's actually made. Pull this up here and, oh, looks like he hasn't really made any progress. He's down about $500, so let's see if he can't pull himself out of this one. But boy, it looks like he's going to be staying in a hostel tonight.